Looking for an easy, high quality, and superior design vertical shaftless lift solution? With our unique cabin lift, you can reach all levels of your building with minimal intervention in the existing building structure. Without a shaft, the elevator finds its place in all possible installation situations. Doors on all sides allow maximum flexibility. The space under the cabin is fully usable. For example, as garage access, no pit is necessary. You are safe under the lift. Contact switches and a reliable laser scanner ensure that the lift stops as soon as someone is under the cabin. The unique cabin lift, QUATTROPORTE, reaches all levels of your building vertically with minimal intervention in the existing building structure. Insulated doors ensures that the heat stays in the house. Due to the excellent thermal insulation, the elevator is thermally separated from the building. The QUATTROPORTE is weatherproof for nearly all environments. Snow, rain, and cold temperatures are not a problem. The inside of the lift offers you a panoramic view. By intuitively grasping the handle, the cabin starts moving. As soon as the hand is removed, the lift stops. When installing folding doors, the lift can be operated by a one-click system.